Okay, here we go. As you can see, it's a DIY video again. I made this sunscreen. It's got a flap on the bottom. You can open up, I can get in and do my things. It's also got some shading here, so when I put my head inside, and I can use my glasses as well, which I'm going to later on, and I can see, and as you can see here, I've cut off the glare. So this is what this looks like. Okay, I've just got the holes here. It's the homemade holder for the tablet, my Teclast P90 Pro. And I've also got my Mavic Mini with landing gear. And there's the landing gear. And just cheap. See what happens with it. Never flown with it. See how that works. And we're going to take off. And we're going to see what happens here. Take off. And off it goes. Start the video. We're 1080p. Start the video, 1080p. And let's bring it in closer so we can take a look at this. And we're in P mode. Down a bit. We'll come a little closer. See if I can get it in frame. There we go. Down a bit. And we'll turn it a bit. There we go. That's what it looks like. Okay, a little bit up. That's what it looks like, and it's about a foot away. So let's just go back a bit. We'll bring that camera up a bit. There you go. Go back a bit. Oh, sorry. Back a bit. There we go. There we go. And we're just going to see if we get any errors flying this and see how my homemade screen goes. So I'm just going to be like this for now. Looks pretty. I don't need my glasses. So we'll see how it works. Okay. Let's go forward a bit. And we're going to go. We have the video going. It's 1080p. There we go. We're just going to go up. We'll go up 25 meters. So we're up at about 10 meters there. We'll bring that down a bit. Forward. We've got what do we got on there? 87 or 87%. Okay, we're up 30 meters. And we're just going to do some FPV flying around. And I'm using the Teclast to have a view. And what happens if I put my glasses on? Let's put my glasses on and see what happens. My glasses on. And we're there. And we can go forward. And we're up high enough. We're in P mode. And we're up higher than all the trees. We'll go up to 35. Just to be on the safe side. Yeah, there we go. So this is how I'm looking at it. So I've got my head in like that. And everywhere I go around, I'm still got a really good FPV view. So let's just go across. Now it's got the landing gear on. I haven't heard anything on the screen that says anything about an error. And I think the landing gear is only about 5 grams or 6 grams, so I'll weigh them before I post this. I'll put a picture up. We go down a little bit. Oh, too much. Yeah, we're above the trees, so go up a little bit. A little bit more, just so we get the horizon in there a little bit. There we go. And if we look over to the right, you see what looks like a pool, but it's actually a skating rink. In the far right corner is where the picnic bench is, and we sit down there, and one of the neighbors here went out with his 4x4 and a snowplow, and he chiseled out an ice rink for all the kids in the neighborhood. The ice has got to be at least a 1.5 feet thick, because we've had minus 15 Celsius for about a week. But today is nice and warm. Today is about 3 or 4 above 0 Celsius. So that's pretty good. So I'm filming at 1080p, 30 frames per second. But let's have a look down at that. There's the rink. And we're out at 330 meters. And that black spot there is the picnic bench and a little dock there. And as we turn around, that's the trail that comes up to the rest of the subdivision. And we'll come up a little, oops, sorry, wrong way. Somebody's been out there, see the tracks? Somebody's been walking across. So let's come up. I missed that one error. There we go. Now, there he is. 70%. And this guy here, that's the owner of the development. He's got the nice corner lot. He's just building his house, and that's his workshop on the right. And he's just framing in his house. As you can see. And as we go over, we're going to have a look down and see his house being built. And we're at 68%. So we're still doing pretty good. It's not that far away, but I'm hidden behind all the trees, so the connection's doing pretty good. There we go. And that's his house. They're working on it today. Let's point it down a bit. And we'll head it up a bit. There we go. Get it in the middle. And we'll go straight up. That's 37 meters. And keep it in the middle. 46 meters. 50 meters. Keep going up to 60 meters. Oops, sorry. There we go. 75 meters. That's pretty high. Let's bring that camera up a bit. And I must say, having this sunshade on here is pretty good. And so far, having the landing gear hasn't affected it at all. So let's just come on home. Let's just go around. Oh, there we go, and we'll just keep turning around here, up this road. And our house is there in the corner. And we'll just keep on coming up and over and see what it's like. See if I can land back on the table. I hear it. Yeah, it looks pretty good. 56% in the battery. We're still up at 75 meters. That's pretty high. Yeah. For the Mavic Mini. I hear it right above me, but my head is still inside it. Let's come down. Where is it? There it is. Now there's one error message I missed. I'll have to find that. And we'll turn it, get the orientation right, and come down. There we go. Where are we now? We're at 52%. This is pretty good. It's pretty good. There we go. There's the house. Up a bit. Just put that camera up a little bit. Okay. And how did we do? I'll take my glasses off now. And you'll notice I don't have my sling on anymore. But boy, does that ever hurt my arm. So I have to be careful. Come down a bit. Oops, sorry, come down, forward. And we'll just bring it forward and have a look at the landing gear again. Oops, sorry. There we go. Here's the landing gear. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Let's see if we can come a little closer. There we go. And we'll try and land it now. Ta-da! And we landed. So we have to remember to turn off the video. There we go. Turned off the video. And compass calibration, all that kind of stuff. That goes up automatically. And that's pretty good. So, having a look at these this landing gear. It's a 3D printed landing gear. I'll have another close-up of it and tell you where I got it. Put that down there. And let me turn this off. Just turn this off. Turned off. And I will say that this homemade contraption really worked. And what I have a mic on it. I have the mic on. So hopefully the audio is a little bit better. And an extended cable. And putting this in here, was perfect to see. It was great. So homemade stuff, really easy, really cheap, worked really well. Turn the controller off. Okay, really good for a piece of cardboard, and the tech last was about $75. This is Canadian, $75, and that was about a year and a half ago. So they're less than $80 US, so they're fairly cheap now. So yeah, I can't complain. And that one as well. I did get, let me show you one other thing I did get. I did get these. They look familiar. They're for the controller. Okay. Useless. Absolutely useless. Do not get these. Get the ones that cover the whole top. Like they're about $6, $7. Okay, these are a couple of dollars. You have to grind them down to make them fit properly and on the proper place, but not worth it. Get the ones that cover the whole base, the round base. It's a lot better. But other than that, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the tablet. I'm happy with the holder. I'm happy with everything. Happy the way the Mini flies with the landing gear on it. No complaints at all. It will not fit in the case, but other than that, it's a win-win. Okay? Well, till next time, let's see what else I can find. Thanks for watching. See you later.